Now it is question number 14. In triangle ABC, the angles at B and C are acute. If BE equals CF, be drawn perpendicular on AC and AB respectively. Prove that BC square equal AB into BF plus AC into CE. Again, ABC is given triangle and the angles B and C are acute. These are acute angle. If BE and CF are perpendicular from to AC and AB, then we have to prove this relation. Given in triangle ABC, angle B and angle C are acute angle. BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Also, BE is perpendicular to it is BE. BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. It is given. Now to prove BC square equal AB into BF plus AC into CE. We have to prove this relation. Now proof. In triangle FBC, angle B is an acute angle. Then by acute angle triangle theorem, we have square of opposite side, means AC square is square of other two sides, BC square plus AB square minus 2 BA means AB into distance of B from foot of perpendicular from point C is BF. It is equation 1. Now in triangle CBE, angle C is an acute angle. Angle C is an acute angle. Then the square of the side opposite to angle C is AB square equal square of other two sides, BC square plus AC square minus 2 CA means AC into distance of foot of perpendicular from point C is CE. It is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2, we have AC square plus AB square is equal BC square plus AB square plus BC square plus AC square minus 2AB into BF minus 2AC into CE. Now AC square cancel out, AB square cancel out. We have shift this term to LHS, 2 common AB into BF plus AC into CE called BC square plus BC square, 2 BC square. 2 to cancel out. We have BC square equal AB into BF plus AC into CE, and it is answer.